Here's a 1992 Super 8-inch box fan. I got this one for my birthday last year. It's pretty cool. It's got 3 speeds, an 8-inch plastic blade set, driven by a fairly large C-frame motor. And you can't really see it. These were also sold under the Windmere brand name and maybe a few others. There's the plastic feet, which are pretty cool because they double as a storage for the cord, so you can wrap it around, keep it nice and tidy. It's got the older Super logo in green, which is really cool. There's the 3-speed switch. Show you the side of it. It's a pretty slim fan, be a good window fan. And here's the back. Very interesting grille design. It's got very minimal vents for the motor, but surprisingly it actually does a pretty good job of cooling itself. And on the bottom we have the information. It's model BF1000, 30 watts, and there we can see the date code of 1992. Not sure what this is. Someone drilled a hole in it. It was like that when I got it. Alright, so let's go ahead and start it up. Here it is on low. It's got a very faint startup sound. Very quiet on low. It's a good breeze coming out of it. What's also cool about this fan is just how well balanced it is. Like for a plastic blade fan, take a look at that blade hub. It looks as if it's not even moving. It's a very smooth running fan. Alright, so we'll kick it up to medium. There's not a whole lot of difference between the 3 speeds, but the airflow certainly increases when you switch between the speeds. Now it's moving a good amount of air. Here it is on high speed. It's ever so slightly faster than medium. The airflow is pretty decent. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. Alright, so that is the 1992 Super 8-inch personal box fan. Thanks for watching, more videos to come soon, and I'll see you in the next one.